Ubersuggest got popular, I think was just 2 years ago, because it was one of the first free tools that gave the most suggested keywords. The thing is, Neil Patel, one of the top bloggers in the game, has taken the Ubersuggest tool, updated it, changed it completely, leaving some of the best features and still offering it again to the public for free. I'm going to show you in this video how to use Ubersuggest tool to do keyword research for free. But first, what is keyword research? Basically, keyword research is a process of trying to figure out what people are typing on the search bar when looking for something. So, for example, someone looking for, say, fly fishing equipment will type in fly fishing equipment, right? But that's not the only word phrase to use when searching for fly fishing equipment. Another person could use something like fly fishing shop, fly fishing store online, fly fishing Amazon. Here is the point. What you might think is a great keyword might not necessarily be a great keyword. So the words you might have for a specific topic does not necessarily mean that people are also using the same words to search online. When it comes to keyword research, you want to know not only the keywords people are using to search, but also the search volume and competition of that search term. The whole purpose of doing keyword research is that you want to create a piece of content that people will find. That's why we need keyword tools like Ubersuggest to help show us that data. So when you get to the Ubersuggest tool, you want to type in your main keyword to get suggested phrases and the other data that comes with it. Now here is the beauty of using the Ubersuggest tool. It gives you a graph of the searches people have been making over time. This way you can easily see from a glance whether a keyword is trending up or down. If the keyword or the key phrase is trending down, that shows that not very many people are searching for that keyword or key phrase. However, if it's trending upwards or it's showing something like this after making a search for how to create a website, right off the bat it shows me that I have a 64% chance to rank for this keyword, which is good. Now, when you look at the graph, right around January, there was a spike for this search phrase, which makes sense because that's around the time when people start making New Year wishes to start an online business. But you can see that it later dropped, but still stayed at the peak. Now here below you get other keyword ideas, other suggested phrases that are related to the main phrase you typed in. Here above you see some color displays. These colors simply represent how high or how low the search volume and SEO difficulty is for each keyword you type in. You should be looking for a high search key phrase because that's what people are using to type on the search engine. You also want to have a green button on the SEO difficulty tab here because it indicates that if you optimize your blog post or your website content well, you should rank for that keyword. In this case, it's medium, which is also not bad because with just little traffic from social media sites, targeting this keyword will help boost me to the top if I decide to use this keyword. Under the Ideas tab here on the right, it gives you a page ranking on Google for the keyword that you typed in. Now, as you can see here, the Ubersuggest tool even shows you an estimated number of visits from Google to the first page's ranking. It also shows you the number of shares on social sites and even the website domain score. Domain scores are simply rankings given to websites. Bigger and more established websites have higher domain scores. Domain scores ranges from 0 to 100. That means if you create a website today, it will have a 0 domain score. Domain scores can be built by building backlinks to the website. The more authority sites having backlinks pointing to your website will increase your authority and hence your domain score. Now back to the Ubersuggest tool. On the left side here you have the suggested ideas and beside you can see the colors again showing you the difficulty score. The simple layout of this tool makes it very easy for anyone to spot out long tail keywords to rank for. You can easily select the keywords you would like to use. You also have the option to save it as a CSV file or copy it to your clipboard, paste it on a notepad or Google spreadsheet for later use. Now, in my next keyword research video, I'm going to share with you how I am using this tool and another browser keyword tool to find niche ideas that very little affiliates are using. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss the video. Don't also forget to give this video a like and share on your preferred social site.